Hey, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about Control plus Enter, which can replace copy paste in some instance. So I can't remember how many times I've used copy paste features, entering the same data in different cells before I discovered this trick. I will share it with you. It was a real time saver. Look at this worksheet. Let's suppose that you will need to enter the same name, Baker Edward, in a specific cell. First of all, highlight with the help of this control and all these cells. Then type in Baker Edwards and then press Control plus Enter. And the particular name goes in all those cells at the exact same time. I can use this trick with numbers, dates, and even formulas. Let's see another example. I want the cell in these cells, so I highlight them. I'm typing the formula only for these specific cells, and I press Control plus Enter. The same formula has gone into all these cells, better of course, than copying and pasting many times. This can save time when we want to enter the same data or formulas in multiple cells, especially if they are not in the same contiguous range. If you want to fill data or formulas down a column, we can use the fill handle or copy and paste. However, if the cells that are not in the same row or columns, then Control plus Enter can be a real-time saver. Another useful way to use the Control plus Enter keyboard shortcut is to stay on the active cell. I remember last year I was entering the percentage completion number in a cell. I wanted to keep that cell selected to keep a different number in it to see the range in the chart. I didn't want to have to hit Enter and then up arrow back to the cell. Using Control plus Enter allowed me to keep the active cell selected and modify the cell again. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.